As you all know, web development is a constantly evolving field and it's difficult to keep up with it. Whether you are new or senior, there is always something new to learn. So likely, बहुत सारी वेबसाइट है जो आपके वेब डेवलपमेंट स्किल को शार्प करेंगे and keep it fresh with the time. So in this video we will cover top 5 most known websites of web development जो कि मैं यूज करता हूँ for practicing, applying and learning basic skills of web development. Okay, so my name is Yusham Solanki and you are watching VS Coding where creativity begins. So let's get into it. The first and the most popular website is W3 School. Best website for learning web development skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Django, PHP and lots more. It provides an interactive examples, simple to understand explanation so that we can enhance our skills in web development course. So now when we have learned the basic skills of web development, let us jump into some advanced topics and some advanced skills. For this, second website came into the picture, that is CSSTricks.com. ये वेबसाइट CSS के लिए यूज करी जाती है. It have articles, tutorials that helps front-end developer a lot. These articles give a brief and valuable knowledge of basics to advanced. Now the third website came in the row is CodePen.io. ये एक perfect tool है अपनी front-end skills को apply करने के लिए. ये एक browser inbuilt code editor है which allow you to write HTML, CSS and JavaScript and simultaneously run your code on the screen which help you to practice in an efficient way. इसमें हम हमारा code write and run भी कर सकते हैं and also take an inspiration of other people work which can resolve our problem and which can be understand and take a help in our projects. Now let's talk about our fourth website, canIuse.com. ये एक simple website है in which there is only a one search box जिससे हम पता कर पाएंगे whether HTML, CSS और JavaScript के features हम use कर पाएंगे in different version of Chrome or any browser, in a different version of iOS and Android, in different versions of operating systems. Okay, it also gives you an independent analysis on which browser supports that. Okay, it will also break down a percentage of user in your region who use this property. Since we have talked about web development skills, now let us talk about web designing skills. For this, fifth website came is Figma. Figma is a web designing tool or vector base used for creating custom and interactive websites like logo, page, icon, etc. जो कि SVG file में easily import हो सकती है. In Figma, we can design mobile as well as web development sites which makes our whole work efficient and easy. It is easy to start to build or to make anything, any template in the Figma. मैं personally use करता हूँ Figma for making icon, logo, thumbnail, design for my projects, templates or any other interactive things which makes my design more beautiful and awesome. So that is all for today guys. If you like this video, hit a like button and comment down below. Website links are provided in description box, so check it out. And if you like more programming, web development, Python stuff, then subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon and we will see you in next video. Okay, bye bye.